Hello everyone, welcome to Amazon. So let's continue with the assessment session. If you're on the Take Assessment page, kindly follow the instructions. Please note, you are now in the second round of interview, which is called the Written Versant test. In this round of interview, you shall be evaluated on your written communication skills. It is a time-bound test and every question will have a specific time set within which you're supposed to answer. The assessment consists of 3 sections. The first section is sentence completion. Once you're done with the second round of interview, you will be able to view the language section. Kindly select your preferred language and follow the instructions. Now we shall begin the third round of interview, which will be the cultural assessment. In this round, we will be evaluating on your fitment towards the role as a customer service associate with Amazon. There is no right or wrong answers in this section, but this evaluates your attributes and whether they are inclined towards this role. You will be able to see 2 statements in the corners with the option available for both the statements. The options will be most likely and more likely. Once the statement is chosen, you will have to choose the option for particular statement. Choosing the option most likely indicates you always project the attribute mentioned in the statement, and choosing more likely indicates you project this attribute only during certain situations. You will be able to make only one choice, and this is irrespective of the direction, and answer all the questions and move on to the next page. Once you're done with all the questions, please click on next page. Now continue with your assessment. Thank you and best of luck. Once you click on the next page, you will be redirected to a page which states Customer Service Simulation. Then you are about to begin the 4th round of interview, Virtual Job Tryout. The first section will have 9 questions where you are supposed to choose most likely and least likely. For each question, you will have 4 options, and after going through the question, choose one most likely reply that you would give the customer as a CSA and one least likely reply. The second section is called the Match and Error section, where you'll be listening to 3 audio conversations between the customer and the associate, based on which you will be projected with match-error questions. If the information that you heard in the audio matches with the questions, choose match. If it does not, choose error. You will also have a certain manager questions, which is a part of your assessment, hence answer them. In the third section, you will have 6 questions where the scenarios are given to you and the solutions are given as options. You should use help section to read this article and the sub-article to get the correct answer. In the section 4, you will have 15 questions based on your previous experiences. In the 5th session, you will have 20 questions in this section, and this is to evaluate your work style. You will have options like somewhat like me and lot like me, and the moment you choose the answer, it will jump to the next question. So be cautious before you make a choice. Once you're done with the assessment, you can answer the feedback section and click continue. Kindly do not forget to give your e-signature in the end. You do that by clicking on continue and typing your name in the e-signature form, and scroll down and click on submit your application.